A sheet of phosphor glimmers under the factory lights, each strand catching the illumination with a subtle shimmer. The texture is soft, almost mesmerizing, inviting a closer look. But how does something that begins as a raw pelt become a luxury winter coat? The transformation is precise, careful, and surprisingly complex. Across the production floor, piles of raw pelts wait in neat stacks, muted and unshaped. Nearby, a finished high-end coat hangs elegantly, its rich texture and smooth lines a stark contrast to the raw materials from which it began. Every coat starts with selection. Pelts are carefully sorted by size, color, and quality, ensuring that only the finest pieces move forward. They undergo cleaning and preservation processes that maintain softness, while preparing them for shaping and assembly. From cutting patterns to stitching, each stage combines skilled craftsmanship with modern technology. Quality checks ensure that every coat meets strict standards for texture, color consistency, and durability. By the time a coat reaches the display, it is more than clothing. It represents a journey from raw material to refined luxury, a process where attention to detail transforms simple pelts into a statement of style and warmth. The global fur industry has a long history, spanning centuries of craftsmanship and trade. Today, it remains a significant sector, catering to high-end fashion markets around the world. In the United States, demand for luxury winter wear continues to grow, driven by consumers seeking warmth, style, and quality that only natural fur can provide. But producing these garments is no longer just about tradition, it's also about technology. High-tech processing plays a crucial role in ensuring efficiency and consistent quality. Modern factories use precise machinery and controlled environments to clean, preserve, and assemble pelts, minimizing waste and maintaining the delicate textures that define luxury fur. These systems also help manufacturers comply with ethical and regulatory standards, from animal welfare guidelines to chemical safety protocols, ensuring products meet both legal and consumer expectations. In today's market, consumers are more informed than ever. Many want to know not only the origin of the materials, but also the steps involved in turning raw pelts into finished coats. Questions about sourcing, environmental impact, and sustainability are increasingly part of the conversation. Luxury brands respond by highlighting transparency and traceability in their supply chains, using technology to track each pelt from its origin through processing to the final garment. This intersection of craftsmanship, technology, and consumer awareness defines the modern fur industry. Understanding how high-tech processes complement traditional skills provides a clearer picture of why these coats are valued and why their creation is as much about precision and care as it is about style. By exploring this context, we set the stage for the journey ahead, revealing how raw materials transform into luxury winter coats that meet both the expectations of discerning consumers and the standards of a modern, responsible industry. Every luxury fox coat begins its journey the moment raw pelts arrive at the factory. Each pelt is carefully received and sorted by size, color, and quality. This initial step ensures that only the best materials are selected for premium garments, while others are directed towards smaller products or alternative uses. Once sorted, the pelts enter preservation and storage systems designed to prevent decay and maintain their natural integrity. Temperature-controlled rooms and specialized handling methods keep the fur soft and pliable, preparing it for the next stages of processing. Cleaning and tanning are essential to transforming raw pelts into durable, wearable materials. Neutral, chemical-safe solutions remove impurities and stabilize the fur without compromising its softness or color. This stage ensures that the pelts will withstand both the shaping process and everyday use. Next, pelts are carefully dried and conditioned. In controlled environments, humidity and temperature are monitored to prevent damage, preserve natural sheen, and maintain the luxurious texture that defines high-end fur. Cutting and design preparation follows. Expert craftsmen plan patterns with precision, arranging pelts to maximize material use and ensure symmetry. This step combines both artistry and efficiency, setting the foundation for a high-quality finished coat. Sewing and assembly bring the design to life. Machine-assisted stitching speeds production while hand finishing adds attention to detail. creating a coat that is both structurally sound and aesthetically refined. Finally, each coat undergoes rigorous inspection. Experts check texture, color, consistency, and structural integrity, ensuring every garment meets strict quality standards. Only after passing these checks does a coat move to the showroom floor, ready to be worn. From arrival to final inspection, this step-by-step process demonstrates the precision, care, and technology required to transform raw fox pelts into garments that balance durability, beauty, and luxury. One remarkable feature of fox fur is its ability to retain natural colors even after processing. Shades of silver, red, and black remain vivid through cleaning, drying, and assembly. This color stability is one reason natural fur continues to be prized in luxury fashion, offering a depth and richness that is difficult to replicate with synthetic alternatives. When compared to artificial materials, natural fox fur provides notable advantages. Its insulation properties are exceptional, keeping the wearer warm in extreme cold, while its softness and flexibility make garments comfortable and long-lasting. Synthetic furs can mimic the appearance, but they often fall short in durability, breathability, and natural elegance. This distinction underscores why high-end consumers continue to value real fur in their winter wardrobes. Not every pelt makes it to the premium market. Statistical studies within the industry show that a significant proportion of pelts are repurposed for smaller items, trims, or accessories. Only those that meet strict quality standards, perfect texture, consistent color, and flawless structure are selected for full-length luxury coats. This careful curation highlights the precision and skill involved at every stage of production. Historically, fur preparation was a manual, labor-intensive process. Craftsmen relied on experience, hand tools, and intuition to clean, preserve, and assemble pelts. Over time, technology has transformed these traditional methods. Modern high-tech factories now combine automation, precise environmental controls, and quality tracking with artisanal expertise. This evolution not only improves efficiency, but also ensures consistent results, merging centuries of craftsmanship with contemporary standards. Understanding these facts adds perspective to the final garment. Every luxury coat embodies both the natural properties of the fur and the meticulous effort of experts, blending science, skill, and history into a piece that is as functional as it is beautiful. Maintaining quality in a high-tech fur factory requires careful attention at every stage. From the moment pelts arrive, strict hygiene and safety protocols are followed to prevent contamination and preserve material integrity. Temperature-controlled storage, clean handling procedures, and monitored workspaces ensure that each pelt remains in optimal condition throughout processing. Consistent product quality is achieved through rigorous inspections and standardized processes. Each stage, cleaning, drying, cutting, and sewing, is monitored to meet precise specifications. Expert technicians verify texture, color consistency, and structural integrity, ensuring that every coat leaving the factory meets high-end standards. Regulations and certification standards play an important role in modern fur production. Factories comply with sourcing requirements and industry certifications that track the origin and handling of materials. These standards help ensure transparency and traceability without making claims about the ethics of fur production. Keeping the discussion neutral and fact-based, environmental considerations are increasingly integrated into production. Chemical use in cleaning and tanning is carefully managed to minimize waste and exposure, while water and energy consumption are optimized through efficient systems. Drying rooms and conditioning equipment are designed to conserve energy while maintaining consistent quality, demonstrating how technology can reduce environmental impact. Ethical policies are also part of operational protocols, applied in ways that meet legal and regulatory expectations. For example, sourcing may follow guidelines for animal welfare, and internal processes aim to maintain safe and responsible practices, all presented here without value judgment. Through these measures, high-tech fur factories maintain a balance between product excellence, operational safety, and environmental responsibility. The result is a manufacturing process that produces consistent, high-quality garments while integrating modern standards for sustainability, compliance, and careful management of resources. From raw pelts arriving at the factory to finished luxury coats on display, the journey of fox fur is a story of precision care and technology. Every stage from sorting and preservation to cutting, assembly, and final inspection relies on meticulous processes designed to maintain quality, durability, and elegance. This transformation is not accidental. It is the result of high-tech systems working in tandem with skilled craftsmanship. Luxury manufacturing exists at the intersection of tradition and innovation. While modern machinery ensures efficiency and consistency, human expertise shapes the materials, guiding each coat from raw material to refined garment. The industry's ability to balance artistry, technical precision, and the expectations of today's consumers highlights why these garments continue to hold value and appeal. Consumers now seek more than warmth and style. They want transparency, traceable sourcing, and confidence in the quality of what they wear. Looking ahead, the fur industry is evolving in response to these demands. Advances in technology promise even greater efficiency, allowing for smarter